Hello, my amazing creative friends, Oksancia here, and this is a vlog of my day today in the studio. Here I am, and this is my textile design studio, this is my art and illustration studio, and this is my online course creation studio and YouTube studio. So everything in one, and you can see the microphones and the filming gear behind me and my painting, and right here I have all of the goodies and supplies and art supplies and everything, as well as my computer and the circle light. Right, super quick 30-second tour. So today what I've been up to, it's lunch. So I just had my lunch and I was doing the dishes, and I came to grab the camera, and I just wanted to show you guys I am wearing my apron with my vector repeat pattern, very old one, which I still love a lot, and it's right there again. And I have a little one for my daughter, and I got the same aprons for my mom and my husband's mom. So I am absolutely loving wearing them myself, and I recommend you guys that you do too, so that you can remind yourself when you create a pattern or a piece of clothing or something around the house, so that you can remind yourself that you absolutely design beautiful things, and just find something that you like, that inspires you, and it will remind you that you can create awesome things. At least it does for me. All right, so what I did, I was created a video, and I also, for my YouTube channel, and I also just closed a webinar launch for my online course, and I am so excited because I had 14 new Pattern It Up course students come in just in a matter of the last few days, which is so awesome. Hi everybody, hi my awesome Pattern It Up students if you're watching. And I also had 15 Creative Productive You online course sales as well, which is so awesome, and I am very happy. We're going to celebrate probably this weekend, because I also have a birthday of my both of my online studio where I design my artwork and sell vector repeat pattern designs, and also of my online school, Oksancia Textile Design Online School. All right, both of them started in November, but 10 years apart, so we are celebrating this weekend with the family. And now what do I do now? I want to show you the awesome inspiration I set up for myself, and then we'll keep on with my day. So, ta-da! We moved this year, and we actually inherited a little garden that comes along with the house. So why am I showing you this in my creative vlog? It's because I've been so inspired by all the flowers I set up. There were actually none of these little flowers were here, only one red one right there, and these 2 trees were here, 3 and 4 little lemon. So we have pomegranate, orange and lime. And just this weekend, me and my husband, we planted 2 kumquat trees right there, and pomelo trees right there, and there are some bushes and palm tree behind it. So I've been just so inspired by these guys. Look at this. This one was absolutely dead when I moved in, and I revived it. Look how awesome it is now. Not everything is so great. For example, my roses are not doing so well, but I will correct that quote also. And just this one, this little kind of a succulent pot I created with a strawberry, from a strawberry pot I had just a few days ago. So this is where I spend a lot of my time when I need a break from the computer. I just come in here, and in my previous vlog, if you want to watch a day in life of a textile designer on my YouTube channel, you can see a picture of a bunny. Like the bunny is bunnies are always over here, so I am loving this place. And I also we have some green area, and I have a little like mini garden with some parsley and all kinds of herbs. And I have the peas. These guys actually are edible, and we love them for the salad. So these ones are actually amazing in the salad. So I've been really enjoying gardening. This is my first year. I've never had a garden like this before, only growing up. So only growing up, I had, my parents had a garden, and we had apple trees and berries and strawberries and things like that. So I was helping out in the garden as much as I could. But now I am happy to share my little inspiration with you guys. And I've been posting some pictures from the garden on my Instagram. So if you want to hop in for some inspiration from the garden, yeah, you're welcome to do it over on my Instagram at oksancia. All right? Something cool arrived in the mail. I love getting packages with my designs. So let's see what's inside. And it's actually my brand new Grow, Love and Create little stickers, like vinyl stickers, and my Grow, Love and Create postcards. There is oksancia right there, and these are just simple postcards, and I am planning to mail them to some of my founding members of my oksancia pattern group coaching membership from my online school. And I've been meaning to design these in a while, and I'm so excited that they arrived. Yeah, these look pretty good. The colors look good. Let me see. These are designed in Adobe Illustrator. I drew them and I added some textures in there. So these are vector originally, but yeah, actually pretty awesome. Let me see. I'll open this up and show you guys. Oh, and here are some, I think they came with some envelopes. Yes, these are envelopes. Pretty cool. I'm so glad that these guys arrived, because I am finally adding merch to my YouTube channel and to my website. It's not up yet, but it's going to be up soon. So I'm so excited to see how these work out. I'm gonna test them, like having them on my phone, and I think I'm gonna get them on my water bottle and stuff like that, so that I can test them out how well they printed. But yeah, so exciting. This is something cool I've been working on, and I have more designs coming. So this is just the first one that I'm trying out, the Grow, Love, Create one from my channel and from my website. But it's going to be a new shop there with some merch, which is very, very exciting. And let's go up to my studio. Oh wait, first I actually have to show you what's behind me over here. And let's see this area right here. So this here is called a creative area. We call it a creative area with my daughter, who is 9, just turned 9, and we have a lot of things for painting and drawing in these drawers right here. It is not cleaned up. This is just how it is, and it's a work in progress. And you can see a lot of artwork that my daughter and some of her neighbor friends who live nearby, they love to come over and paint. My niece also came to stay with us for a little while. I've been really loving looking at their pictures, because they've been doing such a great job with all the painting, and lots of fun. They've been having so much fun. And another thing is that I've been painting with them from time to time when I can, and I actually painted this beach painting right here. It's an acrylic with some metallic colors. Let me show you guys. So it's metallic, so it's kind of shining. and I've been really having fun. This one is actually been long planned for above our bed in the big bedroom. So when I put it up there, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in its final home. But for now, this is what it is in here. Okay, so there is just like a creative mess with all the supplies the kids need for artwork in the drawers, and there's some cool fun stuff that they've been painting, rocks and like some wooden objects and projects they've been working on. So it's just a fun thing that we've been doing at home, and I've been enjoying painting with them. One cool tip that I can give you is that we have this IKEA table here, and chairs are already all smudged up with paint, but these are kind of cheaper chairs we got from Amazon, I think. And here the table is actually covered, so it's clean-ish because the edges are not so clean anymore, but the table actually stays clean because we have this cover on top, and I cut it to fit the shape of the table. So it was not exact size, but then I have these clips on the edges so that it stays in place. But do you see the whole artwork of a mess they created for painting, which I absolutely love because this cover really helps keep it clean. And the smallest one of them all sits here, so you can see she makes a little bit more of a mark. But I absolutely love this because it makes the table interesting in my opinion, and I actually like seeing them create in here, having fun, and I love this cover. Very cool. I'm going to link, if I mention something, I'm going to link it in the description under this video. So if you want to see the resources that I mentioned here, you can go down there and you will see the link. All right. I've been working for a little while on answering some of my course students and answering some emails, and yeah, so don't have a lot of drawing today, but tomorrow I have a co-working call within my pattern group coaching membership with our awesome members in there. We are going to spend an hour and a half working together, and I am planning to work some more on my bunny garden pattern collection I am developing, inspired by the garden you saw earlier in this video. So that's gonna be awesome. And just a quick tip I want to give you from my studio. Here you see I have a little mouse pad with my repeat pattern design on it right there. And I really love using these guys, and they work very well. I got this one printed on Zazzle, Z-A-Z-Z-E-L, I think. No, I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it in the link. But Zazzle is a print-on-demand shop. I printed this one on over there, and if you want to have your patterns also surround you in your home, in your studio, I really recommend it. I love surrounding myself with my patterns, and I love featuring them and on my little social media videos, in my YouTube videos, and they work great for your promoting yourself and just kind of coming up with content for your Instagram and YouTube and website and blog and stuff like that. Hey there, it's the next day, and I actually did have the awesome co-working call inside of my pattern group coaching membership, and here is what I drew. So here's my actual picture from my garden with a hibiscus, and it's for my bunny garden fabric collection that I'm working on. And here is the here are the elements that I'm going to combine with my bunny, and this is a bit of a slow progress collection, so I'm not rushing with this because I have other projects that I'm working on, but this one is so fun to make. And I know this little side of element is cut off. I didn't calculate the size correctly, but what I do when I have this, I take a picture anyway and I put it as a reference photo in Adobe Illustrator, and then I draw the rest directly in Adobe Illustrator. So I don't really bother that much to redrawing these kind of elements if I kind of know what this edge is going to look like anyway. So yeah, this is not finished artwork. This is more like a sketch for my vector elements that I'm going to add to my pattern collection. I'm excited to see how this develops over time, you guys, and show you my results. So this is it for today, my amazing creative friends. I will be back with more vlogs of adventures from my studio. Some days I draw, some days I film videos like today, and some days I hang out with my students in live calls in our membership. So all kinds of cool stuff going on over here, and I am glad to take you with me inside of my studio and school. Also, please give me a like on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I do live calls and Q&As and whenever I upload a new video. So you can also hit that little bell notification button to get notified whenever that happens, which would be awesome. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to learn more on how to build this kind of business that I have as a repeat pattern designer, please make sure that you click on the link in the description and go to watch my free webinar on 3 secrets how to build a lifestyle business designing repeat patterns. The link is in the description again, and it's absolutely free training for you to watch. Alright, my amazing creative friends, I will catch you in my next video, and until then, grow, love and create. Bye!